Here, show you how to program the new LiftMaster opener. I think the model is the 893LM model here to the new opener. So what you want to do is you go up to your wall button, you lift this up. Now, depends what button you push, so I'm gonna have to program the two little ones because I already have this big one programmed to another door. So I'm just saying whichever one you want, so I'm gonna program this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the learn button here. So it'll give you like 30 seconds. So we're gonna hit this one. Hit again. And then, oh, let's try again. All right, that makes it blink. You hit again. Voila. Let's see if it works, right? First time. All right. All right, guys. So, there you go. Hope you enjoy it. And that's how you program your remote. That's it.